Welcome to my YouTube channel, Nungshipi Imar Phiral. Again, I have come up with a new video on learning Bishnupriya Manipuri. Today, I am going to share some more commonly used sentences in Bishnupriya Manipuri, such as, Mom, I'm not going to office today. Ima, miaji office na jauriga. Mom means Ima. I'm not going. I am not going means me na jauriga. You know that I am means me, not going na jauriga. To office, office, today, aji. Mom, I'm not going to office today. Ima, mi aji office na jauriga. I'm not feeling well. Mi garigo NUARA. I am not feeling well. Mi garigo NUARA. I think I should go to meet a doctor. I think mi khalkorori. I should go morta jana thokose. To meet dehanit a doctor. Dr. Agorang. I think I should go to meet a doctor. Mi khalkorori morta Dr. Agorang dehanit jana thokose. Doctor, I'm not feeling well. Doctor, morta garigo nungeinase. Or you can say, Doctor, mi garigo NUARA. I feel weak. Morta choktha lager. I feel means morta lager. Weak means choktha. So it will be I feel weak. Morta choktha lager. Sometimes I feel stomach pain also. Sometimes means kumbaka. I feel stomach pain also. Kumbaka morta petgo kamarar. I feel stomach pain. Stomach means petgo. Pain means kamarar. I feel stomach pain. Morta petko kamarar. I have a vomiting tendency also. Morta bonganiyo aher. Vomiting tendency also means bonganiyo. I have. Morta aher. I have a vomiting tendency also. Morta bonganiyo aher. You are suffering from indigestion. TORTA hojom nanar NUARA ose. Indigestion means hojom nana. You are suffering from TORTA NUARA ose hojom nanar. I have prescribed medicines. I have prescribed. Mi ikore dilu. Medicines means hojok. Mi hojok ikore dilu. I have prescribed medicines. Mi hojok ikore dilu. Take those properly. Uta niyom koria case. Take means case. Those uta properly niyom koria. Take those properly. Uta niyom koria case. You should not skip your medicines, right? You should not skip. TORTA bad dena thok nei. Should not skip. Thok nei bad dena. Skip means bad dena. You should not skip. TORTA বাদ দেনা থক নেই your medicines. Tor hojok. You should not skip your medicines, right? TORTA tor hojok বাদ দেনা থক নেই har peile. Right means har peile. Don't worry, you'll be all right. CHINTA NAKORI. Don't worry means CHINTA NAKORI. You will be all right. Ti bala oite. Don't worry, you will be all right. CHINTA NAKORI ti bala oite. I have taken my medicines on time. Mi mor hojok. Somoy mote kheilu. I have taken mi kheilu my medicines mor hojok on time. Somoy mote. I have taken my medicines on time. Mi mor hojok somoy mote kheilu. Now I am all right. Ebaka mi bala oilu. Now means ebaka. I am all right. Mi bala oilu. All right means bala oilu. I am means you know me. Now I am all right. Mi ebaka bala oilu. I hope you are learning Bishnupriya Manipuri very well. Is not it? Let me conclude today. Meet you again. Namaskar. Thank you. Take care. Aho habi amar tharhikega hunar tharhan pal korega amar tharhan kotiro chuna nei jogote ehanor thuna. Hey ma Bishnupriya Manipurir ji aje pud abi habihanak petoik tharhan CHINTA korik tharhan pal korik jathan CHINTA korik